part 5 series of this particular NLP. So in this particular video, I just come to the one most important step of during the pre-processing of the natural language processing, that is the text data. So in that case, you will face some issue whenever you will do some pre-processing before going to directly to the word embedding or directly to the sentence tokenization or word tokenization. So you will deal with the some type of like whenever you will use the word tokenization, so you will deal with the some type of clitics words. Okay, what are the clitics words? Okay, so I will just give you in the details. So basically, if the words like, if I will say this, say, and then after I will just be as. Okay, so whenever you will do the word tokenization of this, so basically it will just split with the this, and as will be the separate as one. Okay, so why you don't want this one? Because you want as a this is what you want. Okay, so this type of thing you have to remove, because you have to expand that particular word. Okay, that actually depends upon their particular previous word. They are called as a clitics words. Okay, for that particular, what we are just going to use, we are going to use basically our contraction library. Okay, so contraction library, if you don't have any contractions library in your system, so you can just directly write pip install contraction. Okay, just run this one. Okay, so yeah, if you can just see this type of the things will become, and it will be just directly download. Okay, so before loading this particular, must check you have whether you have contraction library or not. Okay, so it is really important library. So whenever you are doing with the clitics of the words, so whenever you have, suppose you have also like you can just say C, and then after you're just writing S, then after you will have some word that is didn't, you can just say you're just writing this type of things. Okay, so what does it mean? You have to write like C is or something did they not, you have to write, because whenever you can't directly fit to the model, because what model is whenever you do the word tokenization of this, so basically it will split as a C as one, and then after this as another. Okay, this how it they will just split. So you don't want that particular things. Okay, so you want as a C as a one word, and then after is as a second word. So with the help of contraction library, you are able to solve this kind of problem. Okay, so let's see how we have to just use. So first of all, import this contraction library. Okay, just import this one, hope so it will run. Yeah, it has been imported. Now if I will just write some text, okay, I will just write some random text that contains, you can just write in the paragraph form, that is a string form. So if I will say sees is a beautiful girl, I can just write anything. Okay, I'm just writing random. Oh, VAUTUI, you can just put it. And then after that, she is a beautiful, you are just writing the first sentence. Then after again, you are just writing something like John. Okay, John. Or you can just write anything like my favorite player, that is the Dhoni. I can just write Dhoni did not play this IPL. I can just write this one. Okay, did not play this, we can just say World Cup. Okay, World Cup. Okay, ICC World Cup. So this is the sentence. The main focus is for my the sees did not. Okay, so this type of word you have to deal. Okay, and even they, you can just write the one more, that is you can just write here, that's my book. I can just write the random stuff. Again, you can just mention anything that can be they, you are just writing that they had something like this. Okay, so you are just writing they had some amount of money. I'm just writing random anything, it is coming in my mind. Okay, of money. Okay, so the main thing is that you should understand the concept. Okay, so this is the text what you have just built. So what you want to apply the contraction, because you don't want this C is or did not on this kind of that, say you want to expand of this particular things. Okay, because whenever you will go for the text of the data, you will have many paragraph in it. You can't go and do the hard code of that. Hard code means you can't go and you just substitute with where it is this is, you are substituting with the that particular. Okay, you're just doing hard code of that, so you don't have to do this one. You already have the contraction library. Okay, so what you can just write here, Now again I will just make a new list. Okay, so you will make a new list so that it will able to collect, it will able to simplify this particular condition. Okay, so what you can just write here, you can just write here expand all. I'm just writing the random stuff, and then after that what you're just writing, you're just looping through all this particular text. Oh, okay, for word in, what you will write here, you will write text dot, if I will just write split. Okay, so what does split, if you want to split with the black like white space. Okay, so it will split all the white space. Okay, that's it, it will do. It will work like as a word tokenizer also. So it will just split, and then after what you will just apply the this particular, first of all you have to just apply expand all this particular all dot append, and which one you have to use contraction. Okay, it contraction library dot fix, that what you have to write, and it will check for the every particular word. Okay, this particular word you want. Okay, so this particular word I was speaking about this. So even now you want to just join this particular, again you want to make this sentence. Okay, just run this one, let's see, then after we will see the another how to, again we have to join the back to that particular sentence. Okay, yeah, you can just see expand all, what is the output. So this is the, see, now you are able to do with the help of contrast. C is what you have just written. Now you are getting C is. Okay, so Dhoni did not play this World Cup. So what Dhoni did not, what you have written didn't. Okay, so that's what they, and they are called a clitics words. Okay, that's you have written that's, and here what you did, that is, and then after you have read they had, so they would, and then after you have just written they then after they have, you are just writing everything, they are called as a clitics word. D, and then after S. Okay, that's particular word depends upon the previous. Okay, so this was the problem, you can just remove with the help of contraction. Okay, contraction library, and you want that particular word back. Okay, you want this sentence by removing all this kind of stuff, so you can just use the join. Okay, that is the simple things. Again, what you can just write here, just write a new, okay, new word, new text, you can just write here, and then after what you can just write here, just write the join particular the join. Okay, so what does join it will do. Okay, so it will, you want to join that particular with the space and just write the join, it will just iterate through all, and it will just join that particular what you have get in that particular list. Okay, expand all, clear. So you can just able to see what your new text is. Mhm. So she is a beautiful girl. Dhoni did not play the World Cup. That is my book, and they owed some amount of money. So this what you are just writing the random example, and you are getting the result. You can just compare with the what was the previous. Okay, so this was the main things what I have to explain you, because this is the really important during the text pre-processing step. You will get some sentences this like this. Okay, you have to change that particular word with the help of contraction library. You can do this one, and this is really simple. Okay, so I hope so you like this particular video. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channels. Thank you.